Hey guys, John here from The Bible is Art. I wanted to give an update on what's going on because I haven't posted a video in the past few weeks, and that's because I've been working on a few other projects related, and one of them is finished, and I wanted to share that with you. And that is a sort of web resource tool here. It's at thebibleisart.com/audio. And the story behind this is that after graduate school, I couldn't find a job immediately. So I thought, well, if I can't get a job in like the thing that I was studying for, I would like to get a job where I can study all day. And so I was a janitor for a while, and it was amazing because I would just essentially study for 6, 7, 8, 10 hours a day. And during that time, I sort of scoured the web for the best courses, lectures, sermons that there were on the Bible. The amazing thing is that, some of the foremost scholars and commentators on the world, their material is freely available or at a really low cost. So there's just extraordinary resources available. And I found that a lot of people don't know about them. For instance, one of the foremost scholars in the world, Bruce Waltke, there's a bunch of, for instance, this Psalms course and this Proverbs course are both free, and which is just astonishing to me that a scholar of this caliber, you can have 56 hours of exposition for free. And so it's just really, really amazing. So I wanted to put them together and put them in a sort of little web app that allows you to filter them really easily. So if you go to this URL, you get this interface here, and you can, over here are all the sort of filters that you can use. And so you can filter according to whether they're paid or free, and it's going to just auto-update. If you're looking for a certain book of the Bible, you can see that as well. And then all of the different teachers are there. So a couple of notes on this. One is you might ask about the criterion for selection here. And along the main theme of this channel is all the people here are good noticers of the text, and they ask good questions. They ask questions about why these scenes are put together in these ways, why the reoccurrence of this image, why does the dialogue have this pace, and just real good noticers of the text. The second thing is that some of you who are may know about some of these authors may think that some of these are strange bedfellows who are here together, and the purpose of this is just to be a noticer, a good noticer of the text, and sometimes that means in other settings these authors would not be found together, but it's not a sort of endorsement of everything, all their views about all the texts, but it's just to say, overall they're helpful and we can learn from them. So this is the resource. If you have one that you'd like to submit for consideration to be included in this page, you can just click this link up here, and I'd love to review it. And if you have any other questions about this, you can just shoot me an email at thisdivineart@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. And thanks so much for checking it out.